Georgia. I'm going to talk to you guys just really quick. Be patient with me. I'm going to try not to get too philosophical here, but I want to talk a little bit about the YouTube domino effect. And based on the title of this video, you're going to know what this is all about, this story is about, and this video is about. I don't know yet because it's going to happen tomorrow. But I just wanted to say that I've been watching YouTube John and I have, for probably over 10 years. And we started our channel 4 years ago. There was a lot of people that influenced us and helped us along the way. And one of those people was Peter McKinnon. Started watching him about 6 years ago when he was in his spare bedroom, and he taught us, or me, all about B-roll and lighting and editing and how to be creative. And either you have a really nice camera, or you can shoot with your iPhone, but just to get out there and to be creative. And he's extremely inspirational. And if you guys, I'm sure you probably know him. He's got about 6 million subscribers. I'm sure millions and millions more viewers. He's an amazing man, and he is so creative and an entrepreneur. So tomorrow we have the opportunity to go and see the Blade Show here in Atlanta. And Pete's Pirate Life is going to be there with his big, huge pirate ship. And I saw it on Instagram, and John said, let's go see Peter. So this is our one opportunity to go see him, that we're not going to be in Toronto when he travels so much. So I'm hoping that tomorrow we'll get to see him. I don't know if I'm going to have enough courage to go up and actually chat with him or not, but he's been a true inspiration to me. And this whole domino effect of how one creator you can go on to another channel because maybe they've hosted a creator, or you've seen comments or something like that from other creators, and then you kind of go on and you continue to learn through YouTube. Well, that happened with Peter's channel, and his father, I call him Mr. Monty. Him and I exchange emails quite frequently, and he is so kind and he is so encouraging. He has actually put our videos up on his channel to help him promote us. And he's a true inspiration to me. And through Peter, I met Mr. Monty. And he's an author as well as a luthier, and he builds guitars on his channel. And there's 2 of his books. I travel with these actually, and when I'm home, I put them on my coffee table because they're one of those books that you just can pick up and just read a quick chapter, and then you can feel good. And I've shared those books with several family and friends. And he's got a new book out too called Chasing Justice, or Chasing After Justice. And oh my goodness, I read this book in one sitting and was so excited. He's working on the next one. So anyways, I think I've gone down a rabbit hole. But what I wanted to say was that tomorrow I'm so excited. I hope that we get to meet Peter. If not, I'm going to try to film in there and take some photos of him. And I don't know that he'll ever know how much he's inspired me, but I'm really thankful that he introduced me, and the domino effect was introduced me to his wonderful father. So anyways, guys, you'll know tomorrow, and I'll know tomorrow, but you'll know it if you keep watching this video what happened. So let's go. Okay, so we've just walked into the show, and guess what's right here? Pirate ship.
Let's go see what's in it.
So let's go around the corner and see what we see. All right, let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. There he is. There he is. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was too afraid to talk to him. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. He's busy. No, but. Here I am meeting Peter for the first time. I was so nervous. I think I said to him, "Hi, my name is Kara, and I just want to thank you. And man, you look amazing." So the second most embarrassing moment here is that Peter's telling me that he likes my Shaw, and I thought he was talking about my camera, and I said, "Oh, it's a Canon mirrorless M50." He said, "No, this." Oh, how embarrassing. All the time,
So nice to hear.
and he puts our channel on his channel on his
Video for him?
Oh my gosh, yes. I told him, I said, "Goes well, Peter's going to be a little busy, and we're coming here just for this." So, hi, Mr. Monty.
I found a fan of yours, Dad.
Hi.
She's read all your books, and apparently you guys chat and share channels, so I figured I'd send you a little video. Hi, by the way. I'll be home tomorrow. And,
Well, hi, Mr. Monty. It's Kara and John. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this is happening. All right, thank you. Just for this, so, hi, Mr. Monty.
I found a fan of yours, Dad.
Hi.
She's read all your books, and
Yeah.
apparently you guys chat and share channels, so I figured I'd send you a little video. And, hi, by the way.
Yeah.
I'll be home tomorrow. And,
Well, hi, Mr. Monty. It's Kara and John. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this is happening. All right, thank you.
that's awesome. You'll love that. Yeah. Thanks for talking to him, too. I'm sure he really appreciates it as well. Yeah.
We're planning on getting the month of July, and I want to see him, and we want to go to your coffee shop.
on up.
And
Be there.
yeah, and also,
At different points in July. The middle of July is gone.
we're going to be there the whole month.
Yeah, I'm gone from like 7th to
I can't believe it. We came here and stayed over last night just to come here.
Nice.
Yeah, so anyways, I can't begin to tell you how much I appreciate it.
That's great. That's great. It's so nice to meet
And
you.
you're so nice. And you're so entertaining and fun. And get out here, so.
She likes you if you haven't noticed. Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
John. Yeah, so. All right. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh.
That's awesome. So glad you guys got to meet him. That's
Oh,
awesome.
it's awesome. Thank you.
I saw him walk up. I was like, perfect. Perfect. Yeah, thank you. Awesome.
I can't believe it.
I love that. That makes today worth it right there. Yeah. I love it. I love to see it.
Oh my gosh, he is so nice.
Oh, he's awesome. He's such a good dude.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Okay, so I'm freaking out.